What's up, guys? Steve here for Card Breaking Now, getting ready for a basketball break. Great lineup. Big cards coming and hopefully a nice shoe. We got 11:15 on the clock. Johnny with the bookends, Atlanta to Washington, 4 times each list. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3/11/16. 11/16, last and final. Fourth and final is 11/16. 11/16, Indiana to San Antonio. OKC to Cleveland. There's your teams. 11/16, here's your name. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Third timestamp. 11/16. 11/16, last and final. Here's your 4 timestamp. Last and final on the video is at 11/16. 11/16, Johnny, top of the list, down to Chris. And we got Jamie down to Daniel. There's teams, guys. Put them in the comments. We'll see you soon. Good luck.